Since 2026, enterprise capital expenditure has accelerated toward a baseline of $765 billion annually. We are seeing a concentration of spending focused on a very specific set of infrastructure challenges. This visualization tracks that trajectory into the next decade. Cumulative AI infrastructure spending is projected to reach $7.6 trillion by 2031. Running parallel is the security market, forecast to reach $118 billion by 2029, with a steady 9% annual growth rate. These two spending pools share the same physical surface. A single GPU cluster represents both a massive performance investment and a high-risk security target. Yet most organizations still manage them through separate teams using incompatible tools. The largest opportunity for channel partners today is in bridging these two isolated budgets. By providing a single point of management for both performance and resilience, partners can access two separate enterprise spending pools simultaneously. While the budget exists, many value-added resellers and managed service providers struggle to capture it because traditional sales models create too much friction. Customers are reporting that their AI clusters lose significant throughput to fabric congestion and storage bottlenecks. Simultaneously, these same complex networks are vulnerable to stealthy attacks that bypass standard semantic inspection. The common solution is to propose a complete replacement of existing hardware or security platforms, but for a customer running a live environment, the risk of downtime or configuration errors makes this a difficult pitch to accept. This creates a vacuum in the market. There is a specific need for a mechanism that proves financial and security ROI to a customer before they are asked to make any changes to their live infrastructure. The future of the channel belongs to partners who can provide risk-free proof of value. Delivering evidence first creates a path to deployment that traditional hardware reselling cannot match. Tensor Networks developed the Predictive Tensor Control Plane, or PTCP, to serve as the technical bridge for this two-budget strategy. This diagram shows the platform's dual structure. The AI factory module optimizes yield, while zero-day monitors threats. It functions as a non-disruptive overlay, integrating directly with existing channel offers without displacing the customer's current switches or security ecosystem. It uses a shadow-first deployment model. The system ingests signed telemetry to map topology risk without ever looking at private packet payloads or sensitive data. Because the platform only observes and analyzes, the partner can identify critical vulnerabilities and performance gaps without assuming any operational liability or causing a single minute of downtime. The partner concludes this initial assessment by delivering a proof pack. This document uses cryptographically signed telemetry and topology mapping to show exactly where the fabric is bottlenecking and where security boundaries are physically deformed. The platform maps these findings into an executive-level ROI model, linking specific technical optimizations directly to recovered GPU hours and reduce tail risk. The partner moves from a speculative sales role into a technical advisory role. Instead of making a pitch, they are presenting the customer's own data back to them as a roadmap for improvement. The proof pack establishes a foundation of trust. It proves the financial value of the proposed solution before the partner ever touches a live control plane. With the proof pack as a guide, the partner can begin moving the customer through a sequence of governed improvements. The partner offer ladder begins with a low-risk assessment. Once proven, the partner moves into a bounded deployment, configuring safe envelopes. Over time, the relationship scales into recurring managed services, turning a one-time project into a permanent revenue stream. This logic turns technical telemetry into a predictable business model. It allows partners to land with a free trial equivalent and expand into high-margin operations. For VARs and integrators, findings justify specific hardware upgrades. Managed service providers use the same platform to build recurring subscriptions. Device manufacturers can preload PTCP software, shipping secure-by-design AI infrastructure directly from the factory. PTCP functions as a monetization layer, sitting above the physical hardware and standard security stock. Strategic longevity in the AI era comes from owning the evidence layer. Partners providing this proof of outcome maintain a strategic moat that commodity hardware resale cannot match.